Pigs are born in litters. A litter is a group of baby animals born at the same time. A sow, which is a mother pig, can have many piglets in one litter. Some sows have 10 or even 12 piglets. When piglets are born, they are very small. They have pink skin and soft fur. They drink milk from their mother. Piglets grow very quickly. Soon, piglets start to explore the world around them. They use their snouts to root in the ground for food. They play with their brothers and sisters. Piglets are very curious and playful animals. Pigs are omnivores. This means they eat both plants and animals. Pigs love to eat. Their diet includes a variety of foods. Pigs eat roots, fruits, and vegetables. Farmers also give pigs special food like corn and grains. Sometimes pigs find tasty insects and worms in the ground. Pigs are social animals. They live in groups called herds. A herd of pigs has a specific social structure. The sow is the leader of the herd. She protects her piglets and teaches them how to find food. Pigs communicate with each other through a variety of oinks, grunts, and squeals. There are many different breeds of pigs. Some pigs are raised on farms for their meat. Other pigs are kept as pets. Pot-bellied pigs are popular pets. They are small and intelligent. Some pigs have curly tails. Other pigs have long, floppy ears. Pigs come in different colors too.